Hi guys, in this video we'll be customizing WordPress dashboard, upgrading PHP version and converting our website to HTTPS secure connection. Let's make some minor cleaning up and get rid of these extra errors. So first thing first, go to plugins and try to deactivate and delete all the unused outdated plugins and click on the drop down menu and click deactivate, click apply and wait for the page to load. Then click on the plugin again and click delete, click apply and OK. So you guys can see that all the plugins are being deleted. Now go to your dashboard and wait for the page to load. Now you guys can see that on PHP it's asking us to PHP required update. Now all we will be doing is go to our hosting page. Now try to type in your search field PHP manager. It's multi PHP manager. Click on it and wait for the page to load. Now click on your domain name and on PHP version select for the latest one. It's saying EA PHP 7.4 and click on apply. Now wait for the page to load. Go to your WordPress page again and click on refresh. So you guys can see that it's fixed now. We have successfully updated our PHP. So guys, next thing we will be doing is go to appearance and click on themes. Now you guys can see that we have two extra templates here and we won't be using them at all. So go to your hosting page and scroll down and search for file manager. Click on it and wait for the page to load. Now click on public HTML and go to WP content. Click on themes. Now click, we'll be deleting 2019 and 2016. Now click on 2019 and select all and delete them. Click on 2016, select all and click delete. Skip, click confirm. Now refresh this page and we have successfully deleted the extra templates. Scroll down and delete these files. So we are done cleaning our WordPress dashboard. So next and the most important thing, you guys can see that currently the connection is not secure. If you go to your live site, you can see that connection is still not secure. All we will be doing is click on settings, click on general and scroll down, change from HTTP to HTTPS and then again from HTTP to HTTPS. Now click save and wait for the page to load. Okay. Now search on Google, move WordPress from HTTP to HTTPS and scroll down and copy this bit from .htaccess file and copy this bit. Go to your hosting page and in the search field type file manager, click on it and wait for the page to load. Now on top right, click on settings, show hidden files and click save. Okay, click on public HTML. Now click on .htaccess. Okay, click on it and click edit. Edit again. Now paste the text here and remove this command as it's already being used twice. Click save changes. So it's secure now. Even on the dashboard page, connection is secure. Heading back to our main topic on how can we install WordPress theme. On the left side you guys can see appearance, themes. Click on themes. Now you guys can see add new button. Click on it and click on upload theme. Choose file and click your WordPress theme zip file. Install now. Installation template is gonna take a while. Okay, it's done. Click activate. And you guys can see that we have successfully installed a WordPress theme for our website. In our next video, we'll be sharing how to install and customize a WordPress template and make it appear same like the demo. If you like this video, subscribe to Nikz Naveed YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.